Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, install or update Spotify from Google Play to the latest version. Make sure your phone runs Android 8 or higher for full widget support. Confirm you have about 100 MB free space to allow the widget files. Open Spotify and sign into your account before continuing. Play a song briefly to verify playback and remove any login prompts. Enabling basic media permissions helps the widget show playback status correctly. Long press an empty area on your home screen to open customization options. Tap widgets to view available widget lists and scroll to Spotify. Choose either the 4x1 or 4x2 Spotify widget depending on your space needs. Tap and hold the widget and drag it onto the home screen page you want. Release the widget to drop it into place and allow the launcher to position it. If Android prompts for media permissions, accept them so controls function correctly. Tap the widget to open Spotify and use playback controls or playlist shortcuts. Long press the widget to resize it or access widget settings if your launcher supports it. If the widget shows blank content, update Spotify through Play Store immediately. Clearing the Spotify cache often fixes display issues when widgets misbehave. Restart your phone if problems persist and then re-add the widget to the home screen. Consider switching launchers like Pixel, One UI, or Nova.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.